Yo, bro, can I get something to drink? I'm tired. And I'm tired of working out now. Can we go home? Like, why do we have to do this? Can I go in the car and you stay here and work out? Yo, you know I'm getting a girl, man. Look how your marker. Go and run upon the treadmill. I want to you. Too lazy,
Anthony,
man.
are you that?
Janet? Oh, go on, Janet. No from when I see you.
Oh God, Anthony. I miss you, know? Where you been? From high school, me no see you. How's everything? Oh God, Anthony, no man, come give me another hug, man. From when me no see you, Anthony, you look so nice. How's Annie? Are your baby mother? Is everybody alright?
Yeah, man, everybody good. You know, some baby mother fly out what the air.
Really? That good for ear.
Janet, you look good, man. You've been working out a lot, man. Look different from when you in high school still.
Don't remember how Markham used to be, alright?
Yeah, man, you did really manga, boy. This still look good. Remember boy, you used to love dance? You could have wine still, even though you did skinny.
Warm tea, still have it. Eh, 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 eh.
You have it, man. Sexy. Yo, Andy, go and go buy the juice, man. Me there, alright? You wanna go upstairs? Yo, thanks for seeing me now. Me dey want reason with you about some things. You look nice, man. Sexy as always.
I wanted to see you as well, so could I talk about some things? I don't have any ill feelings towards you, Daddy, and you'll always be my baby father, okay?
Of course, man. You know me always have love for you, Sherry.
So how's everything going with you? How's your new life?
It's alright, man. You know, just I live my life. I do my thing. So what a boy they treat you?
I would like it if we don't talk about who we're there with or whatnot, okay? We just talk about things related to us, as in Sean or, you know?
Sean, I'm gonna look for me now. Boy, they even want to go run down shack with one girl. So I think he might do better in her life, but he just have to be a waste man, I guess.
How can you talk about your own child like that?
Yo, you forget to tell you to dash with the belly when you're pregnant with him.
Are you seriously bringing up that? Look how much years has it been and you're talking about that? You don't have anything else to talk about.
What the hell are you so vexed for? You practically there with one man while I see him age as your son.
What does that have to do with anything? And you want for talk? The amount of look girl you've been with over the years. You think I didn't know?
Lord God. Here you go again.
You realize you don't ever want to talk about what you did to me?
And you make me go sleep with other woman. You know, so you look run down and all.
The reason why I made it look round down and was because you did that stress me out over the years them.
I will never take care of you. You have to be grateful.
Take care of? You forget say you was living off of my father's money?
Yeah, your father the criminal.
Don't you dare disrespect my father. Don't you dare. If it wasn't for my family, you would have still be living in that run-down place. You forget about that? You forget about how you used to live?
You forget some you used to help your father sell weed too, don't it?
Well, that's the difference between my father and you. My father work and do things to support him family. Unlike you, what did you do? You just live off of people all the time. So you can stay there talking about my father being a criminal. You sure that live good and well off of that criminal money there, don't it? My father had so many businesses running. Everything. What do you have, Day? All you do is rip off people. You're a criminal yourself. My family never liked you, and I should have listened to them. You're ungrateful, disgusting person. I say, I just wish the worst for you in a life. Bumbleclad, shit on your ass.
Yo, you're still bad like ever, man. Not in a lie.
Of course, remember we used to always do it on the playfield?
Yeah, man. Still love them time days, man. I miss high school days, man. Not in a lie.
So up to that girl, what's her name? Octavia, we used to dead over.
But me and her just have one baby out there, and one girl baby.
Really? And she used to act so stupid, like she never want you. No offense, me never really like her. She's so full of herself. And she did love lie. One girl can lie so much.
Yo, don't worry about she, man. Listen, me I go page you, know. Cause me really enjoy myself to them, not in a lie. You're freaky still.
Alright, Anthony. If you invite me over your house.
Yeah, man. I will invite you. Alright, later, alright? But it fought like, man.
Disgusting.
Yo, bro, who's that girl? Yo, her ass was fat as hell. I'm a thing from high school, man. She's sexy, don't it? Sexy bad, man. Yo, but what about Octavia? I mean, how you gonna invite her over if Octavia's there? Yo, don't worry about that thing, man. I know me. I get the Octavia no rate, man. So first I go beat the whole me again. She don't deserve me. Alright, cause I was getting kinda tired of her, man. She's always complaining and bitching all the time. Yo, can we go home now? Yeah, man. Forward.
Besparing er oornef. Oh, tu fas une orphaness. Vous n'abusez.
Really?
Babu. Ha ha ha! Oh, so loud!
Yo, girl, you can't clean up the freaking place and cook some dinner. You just sit down by your ass. Now why my daughter not have on the clothes? So the chicken the way you say like a buy. You see say me house a fair cost and then you go on like I say me miserable. You not even buy the chicken. Yo, look here now, Octavia. This not gonna work out no more, you know. Where you chat about now? You realize say from come here, you just like him a peer problem. Look how much things man do for you, you're just ungrateful. Yes, so you stay, you say me ungrateful. But tell you if I buy the chicken and you not buy the chicken and you gonna tell me say me ungrateful. You think I anything to do with chicken from your come here? You just a this up man and go on the most when I embarrass me in front of my pitney. I want to you. Yo, me get tired of this now, man. You have to leave. Oh, so you just gonna kick me and the baby out. That's what you try to say. No, you have to leave. They are not stay with me. You really think I'm gonna leave my opinion with you? You're a workless mother. Hey man, run away from the problem. When you pack up everything we have and come out the house and go on back over your mother yard. So man, deal with your gun and you want to come this man? Oh, now play with me in Octavia. You forget who me be? Man, change them ways for you, you know. Remember that. Yo, go and boy your business in Octavia. So I can live my life freely the way me want to live it. Cause you want to look a dirty girl.